Decking the halls and trimming the tree help us get into the holiday spirit. It is very expensive. I'm just going to say it. That's where our next guest comes in. Julie Levin is the effortless girl.
She shares fun and easy DIY projects with everyday items on her social media and blog. And this morning, Julie is here to help us save some money by making our own holiday decorations. Please welcome her to New York Living. We went through everything you're doing is awesome.
Yeah. Thank you.
We were looking at the commercial break, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Everybody can do. You have to have no skill level to do what I'm showing you.
In us.
I know, for
and
real.
I respect that.
I promise you, I will show you.
You.
And also, I'll start by saying everything here, if you have to buy all of the materials, is $30 or less.
Awesome.
So very, very affordable. The holidays are always, you spend too much.
Yep.
The first thing that I'm going to show you, these are decorative bells. Bells are very happening right now for holidays.
It is the year of bells.
It kind of is.
So in vogue.
These are made from takeout soup containers on the wreath.
I thought this was heavy. I was bracing myself to be like, oh, a bell.
This
This
rocks
is
in
the
Star
most
Trek.
fun thing ever. These are, the small ones are yogurt. There's a yogurt cottage cheese is in there.
No way.
Fast food cups are in there.
Get some perspective.
So I'm just going to show you. You want to just paint the container 2 or 3 times heavily with sponge paint, with gold or silver, whatever color you want. Can I borrow that one from you really quick?
Of course.
And then to finish the patina, you just want to take a tiny little bit of black paint. You can use black shoe polish, whatever, and then just kind of dab it and kind of smear it. And so you just, as much as you want.
You dab and smear.
Yeah, dab and smear. So that's very simple to make. These are super affordable. I think they look gorgeous on the front door.
And all of this, like this business at the craft store.
You can get and you can get the bells that ring, or the bells if you have kids, you don't want bells
don't
that
get
ring.
ringing bells.
So you can get bells without a middle.
Let's talk about the runners.
The next thing is a table runner. I made it from markers. I printed off some letters that I wanted because I don't have great
stencils.
handwriting.
Yeah,
I know.
was gonna say.
And then
You
some
did that?
stars. Yes.
The stencils.
So this is just red permanent marker and then gold and silver permanent marker.
And then muslin from the craft store.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Or this is actually an old drop cloth that I had. And then I tore the edges and ripped for the fringe.
Look at this.
So simple. And you can do like a rustic farmhouse, or I like Miriam Bright because I like the
Bright.
Miriam Bright.
Yeah, I'm Miriam Bright.
Take a skate, give us some carbs.
This is what you're doing. This is today's
I'm doing a
activity.
rigatoni.
That I have, I'm going to give you these to hold. These are napkin rings made from macaroni pasta. It's just and you take a paper towel center, glue the pasta on, spray paint it with gold.
That's incredible.
I think those are beautiful, high-end, elegant. Nobody has to know they cost about $1.
No.
Yeah.
And then the napkin to go in it, you can get 10 for $10 at any discount dollar store, whatever.
Cool.
And then we're going to make one. So again, household sponge.
This
Do this. Let him do this.
I will put the
Let him show you how
and this
talented.
is a stencil on the dollar store napkin, so just put it on a corner. Now just dab lightly, And you can always add more paint. Your first time you might want to just do a little bit to see if you like it.
And then go back in.
And then go back in. So let's lift.
Let's see how amazing.
See how you did? Oh, that looks so good.
Shaka
and
Khan.
I think that's really, really
Look at that.
pretty.
Joy to the world. That is the saddest.
I can't believe you just did that.
And it
That's a
costs
sad
$1.
snowflake.
So
No, it's not.
super doable. That's pretty.
Thank you. So nice.
But you can do so. I got stencils. These are bells with reindeer.
That's
I'll give you
cute.
that one.
Thank you.
And I think once in the quarter napkin ring, very, very
And for
elegant.
people you don't like at your dinner table, you could give it to them while wet, and they could just gross. Love it.
Did you hot glue the macaroni onto the
glue
thing?
the macaroni. Yeah, I would not use regular glue because it just. I don't have the patience for regular glue, but if you hot glue, you can also burn yourself like I did.
Yep,
so
always.
just be aware of that.
Okay.
Yeah, that might not be for kids to do all the time.
What's over here?
The last thing that I have 2 different candle ideas. This is a yogurt container with a quarter battery candle inside.
Yeah.
You can use coarse table salt, or you can use Epsom salt, paint some glue on it.
This is salt?
Sprinkle
That's
the
awesome.
salt. Yep.
And it exfoliates as you hold it.
And I think it also kind of looks like Frosty the Snowman for winter.
Yep.
The last thing that I have is a pillar candle, again from the dollar store. I've said it all day. Wrap that in red tape, and you get
candy cane situation.
Amazing.
I am incredulous.
I am just gasping for
everything
understanding.
looks like you got it from a department store
Like
or
from
somewhere nice online.
Like you spent
But
a
you
lot
did
of
it.
money.
And see, that one rings. Some of them don't. My son does not get one that rings. No way.
He should not get one that rings.
No.
Julie,
Beautiful
thank
job.
you so
Beautiful.
much. Please don't.
Thanks for having me.
We already know how to find him. We don't need to have attach a bell to him.
I'm lost.
For more DIY ideas, give Julie a follow on Instagram at The Effortless Girl. I like that.
It's awesome. Thank you so much. You have a dab.
All right.
Put some patina
A little
on there.
dabble do ya.
Is it patina or patina?
Patina.
Patina.
We're going to add it to the mispronounced
Yep.
words for 2025.
Rendezvous.